Hi everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and I thought I would film a day in the life for you. Paul and Alex are here. We are just about to go out and go on a picnic and a train ride. So we're bringing you along. Come along.
To a station where the trains are.
Yeah. So we have just arrived at the train station and where...
Stop talking. but then some people will walk on us.
Okay, can I talk now? Alex doesn't like to be interrupted when he's talking. We are here, Paul's here, Alex and I, and we are gonna get on the train and then go and have a picnic. We have just finished having a picnic and going on the trains, and we are going to pop into Wilkos and get a few bits so we can do some DIYs that we need to finish. What's the matter?
I don't want to.
You just want to go home? Hi guys, so we are back from Wilkos and from going out. Whilst we were at the train station, there was a little stand of someone selling plants for charity, you know, to raise money. So I'm going to show you what I got. This one is a spider plant and it's an indoor plant, and all the other ones are for the outside. I think that's a shard, Swiss shard, I think, and I can't remember the name of the other ones. But we paid £1.85 for all of these. This is the stuff we got at Wilkos. So I got some sticky back paper. So this is what I'm going to use to redo my fridge. I will show you when I do that. I also got some more pegs for the line. Yes, Alex?
Mommy, what colour is violet? What is violet?
Fire is kind of orangey.
No, violet.
Sorry.
What does violet look like?
Fireworks.
No, violet.
I don't know what you're saying.
Violet. What is violet?
Violet.
Yeah.
Oh, violet is kind of like purpley lilac. So back here, I also got some of these tumble dryer sheets, even though I don't have a tumble dryer. I've got some hacks that I want to try out with that. Some bin liners, rubbish bags. I also got some felt tips, and these were £1, and you get a set of thick tip and thin tip for £1. I thought that was quite good for Alex. I also got some spray paint. Wilkos have actually got a really nice big range of stuff. I picked up their catalogue as well. They also do Rust-Oleum paints. But yeah, look, this is all the, well, some of the ones that Wilkos do. I really like that one and that one there. So yeah, anyway, got that. I also got 2 bath bombs. These are orange bath bombs, and orange is Alex's favourite colour, and I tried these the other day, one of these, and he loved them, so I picked up a couple more. I've also got some PVA glue just to have at hand, and some command tapes to go in our stock, because once we move we're going to use tons of these. I also got some of these scrubbing wipes. I've never tried them. Apparently they're for tough cleaning all around the home, helps remove grease burnt on food, soap scum and lime scale, so I thought I'd give those a try. I think they were like £1. I also got this curver basket, so you can see. It is there. It's an 18 litre. They sell for £4, but I was actually looking for the 19 litre, which it was on sale for £2.50. They didn't have it, but they said I could have this one for the same price. And this is actually going to have all our crisps in there. And then I was very excited to find this. You know, ideally I want to put it on my fridge and write the menu, and it's got all the little bits and bobs. So that was £5 if I haven't said that yet. And also a front door mat, and then some rubbers, eraser rubbers, whatever you call them. This is just to have in stock for Alex because he's getting into colouring finally. And that's it. Okay, so it took about 20 minutes to get those stickers off. Now I want to show you. Now I need to clean, as you can see. Let's see if I can show without much. There's a lot of sticky stuff. This is all still little bits left over, and it needs a good clean. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get all of that off. Now the reason you guys see these dots, these were actually like this. Okay, whereas actually it's lost the enamel covering on top, so it made it look really ugly. We tried to paint it, but even though it was white goods paint, white, you know, like white metal paint, there's a huge difference. Hoping you can see. That's better. Look, you can see all of it right at the bottom where it was rusting. Doesn't want to focus very well, but anyway, you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna clean it up and then have a go at putting it on. So these are the wipes that I got today at Wilkos. They actually, let me show you, they're like quite coarse without being, you know, abrasive. and really strong, so I'm going to try and use some of this. Oh my giddy aunt, it's done. This half bit was a pain in the backside, but it looks a million times better, guys. Look at that. And it's a perfect match. So this is the bit that has been done and this is the bit that hasn't. It's a perfect match. Yay! We are in the middle of another thunderstorm. We had a really crazy one last night. And now we have another one. Can you guys hear the thunder?
I'm just trying to look up a sky so I can actually see a thunder.
Well, keep an eye out, you might see it. It's moving quite quick, there's a big flash in the sky.
Blimey.
Look what it's doing to the tree.
Yeah.
My fridge looks so good, I can't get over it. Looks brand new. So this is going to be for Alex. That rain. Anyway, this is going to be for Alex to display his stuff. And then I'm going to have a command center here. Now, I showed you guys this board that I bought earlier. And what I've done is I've put some no more nails and put a magnet on in each corner so it can attach to the fridge. These are really strong magnets. It takes about 24 hours for it to dry, so I'm not going to put it on tonight. Yeah, it's still soft. But I've also got to sort out this kitchen. That is it for today, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog and that you've enjoyed spending the day with us. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the little bell to get notifications every time I upload. Let me know that you've enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up, pressing the little like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.